Hello students, welcome to Right Back in my revision video part 2. Students, this video is for class 9 and 10 in which I will explain about the non-verbal communication, the second most important method of communication. As in the last video, I already explained about the verbal communication, and perhaps you all have studied about the verbal communication by going through the last video. As students, as you know, non-verbal communication is the way of communication in which we communicate with the person through our body action, such as our facial expression, body activities, our gesture and postures. In this communication, we do not use spoken words. We do not use spoken words, writing and printing to communicate with people. Most of the informations are silently conveyed through the action of our body. As per the global survey, 7% informations are conveyed using our words. It is very less. But the 38% information using our tone, space and volume of a speech. And 55% information are carried by the action of our body. So, to know well about non-verbal communication is very important because it will help us to know about the important points. It will help us to know about the important points that must be followed during non-verbal communication. So there are 5 elements of the non-verbal communication. The first one is appearance. What is appearance? The term appearance covers our internal elements such as our dress up, our hairstyle, neatness, cleanliness, using scent and cosmetics, etc. But the external elements also affect to our communication such as the size of the room, furnishing, light in the room and decoration of the room. So this is learned as the appearance of our communication. Second one is body language. Our action of body also play a vital role in giving silent message to the someone, to the receiver. So for effective communication, it is needed to properly align our body language, such as how to handshake. Do not blink our eyes frequently while talking. Do not shift the body weight on one leg. These all actions shows that we are telling lie. So, and we are not very confident. So we must be careful about these all bad body languages. We must adopt simplicity, directive and warmth characters to become good communicator. Third one is the tone. Tone is what? Tone refers the ascending and descending of the words spoken during communication. It says that when we emphasize the word in our speech, the meaning is eventually changed. For example, as you would have seen a scene in the film PK in which it was said that the word acha is pronounced differently since the meaning. So this is really the game of the tone. Next one is the eye contact. Eye contact is most important element of the communication, of the non-verbal communication. What is this? Eye contact during communication is considered a sign of a trustworthy and confident. If we are confident, we'll always have eye contact with the person with whom we are talking. So always, we should always have eye contact during communication. Next one is the facial expression. As we know, face is the mirror. It is said that the face is the mirror of our emotions and our inner thinking. It says all the hidden story in our brain and mind. We feel differences in our face when we happy and when we are sad. So this is the facial expression, and it is very important element in our communication. So after this, fifth element of the facial expression, fifth element of the non-verbal communication, the topic is ended. So we'll meet you again with the new topic. Thank you and have a nice day.